in this problem we have sodium chlorate decomposing to form oxygen and sodium chloride. So let's write the balanced equation first. Sodium is a +1. Chlorate, polyatomic ion, is a -1. So we get NaClO3 decomposing into oxygen gas plus sodium chloride. So this is not balanced, so we'll go ahead and balance it out. I see one sodium on the left, one sodium on the right, one chlorine, one chlorine. The problem is the oxygen, so I need to make those balance out. A 3 versus a 2. I'm going to put a 3 there and a 2 there. Now I have to rebalance it. If I put a 2 there, everything balances out. Okay, so pause and try to set up the stoichiometry and then double check it. So like always, I'm going to set up 5.25. I'm going to put in my givens, grams, and I'm always going to put my units and my labels. So NaClO3. And without thinking about it, I'm going to drop my units and my labels down there because they have to cancel out. And then we know we always go to moles in this spot right here. So moles of sodium chlorate. Well, in this problem, it's asking about the volume of oxygen. I started with sodium chlorate. It's asking about oxygen, so I know that I have to go into oxygen. The only way to do that is with a mole-to-mole ratio. So moles of sodium chlorate on the bottom, and then I can go to moles of oxygen on the top. Notice, as always, I'm not putting numbers in until the end. This is a units conversion problem. Therefore, I'm just going to leave the numbers for the end. Okay, so if I'm in moles of oxygen, then I can go to liters of oxygen. So now I can go fill things in. We know 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters. According to my balancing, for every 2 moles of sodium chlorate I have, I'm going to get 3 moles of oxygen. So 2 moles versus 3 moles. And then you should have figured out the molar mass. And I got 106.5 if I use 35.5 for the chlorine. So now pause and do your calculations if you have not done so already. And check your answers. 5.25 times 3 times 22.4 divided by 106.5 divided by 2 because it's on the bottom. And I came up with 1.66 liters of oxygen.